Hello, future YouTube stars. You won't believe this, but some YouTube channels are making over $5,000 a month. How? By getting more than 1 million views in just 30 days. These channels upload about 50 videos, and within 3 months, they already have nearly 100,000 subscribers. What's their secret? Simple videos created using AI, without needing any special skills. And the best part? It only takes 10 minutes to create such videos. Want to know how to do it? Let's figure out how to make hundreds of dollars effortlessly using neural networks. First, you need a script. Don't worry, you don't have to be J.K. Rowling. Just ask ChatGPT for help. For example, say, I run a YouTube channel on philosophical and psychological topics. In my videos, I talk about the hidden power that lies in everyday things or products, such as garlic, vinegar, salt, and so on. Many cultures have various beliefs or superstitions that some common things help achieve success, health, and happiness. I also discuss numerology and how it influences success. I explain how a person's birth date impacts their financial success and create formulas for calculating financial codes. Each of my videos is presented in a Buddhist style. Write me 10 video topics for this niche. After he writes everything down, write down the second step like I have. You can pause the video to copy the request. Great. Let's take the fourth topic and create a script for my YouTube video. Use simple words that are easy to understand when writing the script. Also, try to use as much eloquence as possible to make the script sound very beautiful. Additionally, use a motivational style to energize and inspire the viewers. Provide examples in the script to make the information easier for the audience to grasp. The format of the script will consist of 3 parts. First, introduction. Here we need to intrigue the viewer as much as possible so that they watch our video to the end. You can use clickbait phrases to make the viewer feel that this is a really interesting video. The introduction should be short, up to 1,000 characters. Second, main content. In this part, we will talk in detail about our video topic. The length of the main content should be about 20,000 characters. Third, conclusion. Here we need to motivate our viewers to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and leave a comment. For example, if we get 5,000 likes, then I will post a video on how to calculate your financial code using numerology and become successful. The conclusion should be very short, no more than 1,000 characters. Write the script according to my plan with 20,000 characters. Also, number each paragraph of the script, but do not write the headings or titles of the paragraphs, just the paragraph numbers. Here you can ask him to edit a specific paragraph by its number. For example, explain the first paragraph in more detail. Rewrite the 6th paragraph in simpler words. Add a clear example in the 7th paragraph. Remove the 10th paragraph from the script and so on. For my video, I will be using generated images of a Buddhist monk. Write me 20 prompts for an image generation service where the main subject is a monk in orange robes, and the places and locations differ in all 20 prompts. Each prompt should be detailed, describing every aspect to ensure the generated image is beautiful and detailed. Links in the description. Be creative with your requests. Save your story in Google Docs for convenience. Now let's bring your story to life with images. In my opinion, the best image generator in 2024 is Leonardo. Register with the Leonardo service using temporary mail from TempMail to create a free account. Copy the temporary email address, paste it into Leonardo, and complete the registration. Now we have 150 free credits for creating images. When the credits run out, simply create a new account using TempMail. This is a great solution for endless image generation. After registration, go to the Image Generation section. In the upper right corner, select Legacy Mode. Set the parameters. Choose the number of images to generate. Turn off Photo Real, turn on Alchemy. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and click on the lock icon and drag the slider to the right to the end of W. These settings will help you get high-quality images. Next, be sure to choose the Albedo Base XL style and the dynamic preset, and now insert the first scene from ChatGPT. Click Generate and voila, your image is ready. Download it or tweak it to your liking. Repeat this for all scenes. It's time to add a voice to your story. Go to the ElevenLabs service and register again using the temp mail service. Use ElevenLabs, a great tool for creating realistic voices. It's perfect for English, and you can find good options for other languages as well. They offer free trial generations, so you're covered for the first time. Paste your script into ElevenLabs, choose a voice that suits your video, and download the narration. Now we just need to find free background music without copyrights, and Pixabay will help us with this. Go to the music section and click on the search icon to open the filter settings. Here you can select music by genre, mood, movement, duration, and theme. Pay attention to music marked with the Content ID icon. To use it, you will need to download a license from the Pixabay website to your creative studio. Read more about this or just use any other music without this icon. Finally, it's time to put everything together. Use CapCut to combine your stunning images and powerful narration. CapCut is a versatile and easy-to-use video editing tool available for both PC and mobile devices. Import your clips and narration, sync them perfectly. Don't forget to add subtitles. Go to the text section, select Auto Captions, set the language to English, and click Create. First, choose the appropriate template for our subtitles. I chose the classic white with smooth appearance. Then go to the Basics section and customize the text. In more detail, change the size, font, color, and so on. In CapCut, it's quick and easy. Edit the subtitles to your liking. Add background music from the Pixabay audio library and effects. Export the video in up to 4K resolution and you're ready. Now enjoy your final result.
If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about numerology and philosophy, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Let's explore the mysteries of numbers and their impact on our lives together. If we reach 5,000 likes, I will post a video on how to calculate your financial code using numerology and become successful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on our channel. Numerology is an ancient science that studies the influence of numbers on our lives. It claims that each person is born with a unique numerical code that affects their character, destiny, and even financial well-being. Let's start with your birth date. It consists of several digits, each carrying its own meaning and energy. For example, if you were born on September 28, 1988, let's break down these numbers in detail. The number 2 symbolizes cooperation, harmony, and diplomacy. People with this number in their birth date often have excellent communication skills and can easily find common ground with others. The number 8 is a symbol of power and ambition. It is associated with material wealth and authority. People with the number 8 in their birth date often strive for high positions in society and know how to attract money. The number 9 symbolizes wisdom and spirituality. This number is often found in people who possess deep knowledge and strive for self-improvement. Now let's add up all the digits in your birth date. 2 plus 8 plus 9 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8, 45. The sum of these digits gives us 45. In numerology, it is customary to add digits until we get a single-digit number. 4 plus 5, 9. Your personal number is 9. As we mentioned earlier, the number 9 is associated with wisdom and spirituality. People with this number often have a unique ability to attract money and achieve success through their knowledge and intuition. However, numerology is not limited to just your birth date. It also analyzes the influence of your names, family relationships, and significant life events on your financial path. In numerology, each letter of a name is converted into a number. For this, a special chart is used. Let's take the name John Smith as an example. Let's convert this name into numbers. J1 plus O6 plus H8 plus N5 plus S1 plus M4 plus I9 plus T2. Adding all these numbers, 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2 are 36. Then we add the digits to get a single-digit number, 3 plus 6 or 9. So the number of your name is 9. This number enhances your birth number and gives additional energy to your financial code. Your personal number is the key to understanding your strengths and weaknesses. This knowledge can help you choose the right direction in life and career, as well as attract financial well-being. It's important to remember that numerology is not magic or wizardry. It is a tool that helps you better understand yourself and your possibilities. Now let's look at examples of famous people whose numbers match yours. For instance, if your number is 9, you are in the company of such individuals as Mahatma Gandhi and Mother Teresa. They used their inner strength and wisdom to achieve great goals and help others. These examples inspire and show that your number can be a source of immense strength and potential. You can use this information to achieve your financial goals and improve your life. In conclusion, numerology is an amazing tool that can help you unlock your financial potential. Your numbers are the keys to success and well-being. Study them, analyze them, and use them to achieve your goals. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we have an amazing topic that could change your life dramatically. Have you ever wondered why some people attract success while others struggle with financial difficulties? Perhaps the secret lies in numbers. Today we will talk about numerology and how your birth date can determine.
By following these steps, you can create attractive and popular videos that will help you make money on YouTube. Good luck and happy creating.